Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a how to make a hotkey for backup page. It's just like any other hotkey. You always, before you finalize a product, you want to go, so there's 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps to get it to the backup page. I used to be able to do it all in 1 step, but somehow I've lost that capability, so I'm just going to make a hotkey for backup page. So to make a hotkey, just like any other thing, go to Tools, Options, Customization, to Commands, and you can type back here, and there's backup page. If it's something like here's back1, background, front minus back a layer. If you ever can't find it, just go to Tools, Options, Option, Customization, and under Commands, go right up to the object. And we have nothing selected, so our order is going to be grayed out, but there's backup page. Then just kind of double click on it, go to Shortcuts, which is already, it's got Control-N, but to remember that all the time is pretty difficult. So right in here, type in the letter U, or whatever you want to make it, that's not being used, and assigned it. So now, all we have to do is take the rectangle tool, make a rectangle around it, make it yellow, and hit the letter U. And it did it that quick. Instead of having to go to Object, 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, you do it with 1 keystroke. So let's do that again. Yellow box trick, make it yellow, and hit the letter U. And you've got backup page, and that way you can see that, make sure you don't have any white in your drawing, and make everything kind of stand out. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.